Hello, welcome to Waggy's Travels, and we are in the motorhome camper van, the converted camper van. We have got all of our bits and pieces, and we are off to Mullion Seaview campsite, and we're going to go and have the weekend now. So we'll be able to do a review of the van to show you around it and have a look at the campsite, and yeah, we're just going to have a nice weekend. It's going to have a nice weekend, so come along and join us. Hello, we're back. We are not far from the site. We got stuck in traffic at Chiverton Cross roundabout, but we're on our way now. We should be there. It's about 5 miles. We'll show you the view into the campsite. Really excited! Can't wait to get it all set up and eat food.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Are we going to eat before we set up?
No, because we can't.
No, that was a joke.
Yeah.
Because we always eat before.
Yeah, we normally eat, don't we? So, right. So we'll show you the entrance to the campsite as we get close to it. Back in a minute.
See the sea.
Chocolate.
The chocolate factory and craft.
Oh, it's down here.
You sure it's down here?
That's what it says.
Okay, we did have a little. Oh, okay. Little caravan side. Has this gone off, or is it still?
No, it's still going. It's still going.
Oh.
So it's somewhere around here. So Mullion Cove is just down there, which is nice because it means we can actually walk from the campsite to Mullion Cove.
I hope you bought comfortable shoes.
Yes, I have comfortable shoes. So
It's normally the other way around, isn't it? The women complain about their feet, but
Mullion Seaview Farm. Oh, it's a farm. It's a working farm.
doesn't your thing tell you how far it is now?
Yeah, it says it's 0.2 of a mile, so
Oh, really, isn't it? I think somebody's rented a house there.
hey. Big cats around here.
Well, it's going to be a bit weird because we've been going out where there haven't been any people. And now there's going to be lots of people, aren't there? Fresh eggs.
There we go, Seaview Farm. Came in a caravan. Excellent.
It looks like a building site.
It does, doesn't it?
I think they're expanding.
Yeah. No entry.
It's down there, campsite.
What is it? Hang on, it says fire assembly point.
Campsite down there with a big arrow.
Yeah. They got chickens.
Oh. They've got turkey birds as well.
Oh. Drinking water only.
Oh, and now this is. Oh look, this is better, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that view.
I love it. Now.
Is there nobody to greet us?
No. So we can. We've got a grass pitch.
Alright. Do we want one with a view?
Yeah. So.
Do we want to face the sun?
Well, we can go. The grass pitches are here. Robin's Nest. We need to be big enough to put the awning up, don't we?
Yeah. Why can't we go there?
Because there's no electric hookup.
Oh, right, okay.
If we go here, we've got a water point as well.
Oh. Are we not going to back in, or?
No, because we need the awning, don't we, this side? It's not going to go in, is it? The awning's not going to go in
Go further down there.
there.
We don't want Robin's Nest. We've changed our minds.
We need something that's big enough with a hookup, you see. Is that
What's
big
that
enough?
over there?
Well, that is a hookup.
Are we allowed to take that one?
I think we could.
We'll only get ours to move, won't we?
Shall I come over a bit more?
Yeah, I think it's maybe bigger. And we get a look at the view.
Right, shall we walk around and see if we can find the people? We've arrived. Back in a minute, peeps. Good morning. What a view to wake up to. We're at Seaview Farm, which is Mullion Cove, and it's just gorgeous, amazingly gorgeous. So we arrived at just before 7 o'clock last night. And I turn around this way so you don't get the sun. Yeah, we arrived just before 7 o'clock last night. Traffic on our journey was heavy when we got to Chiverton Cross, but that was due to an accident. Anyway, let's show you around the site. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pitches by the looks of it, and I'm not sure if that field, yeah, that field has got hookups on it as well. So this, I should imagine, can be a busy little site, or do they have, it's very horsey orientated. So this is the area that we've pulled onto. Very pleased with the camper van, very pleased with the conversion. Have learnt one thing: if you only have a quarter of a tank of diesel in the tank, which we have at the moment because I didn't fill up, then the heater won't fire. Anyway, there's 2 hard standings, 3 hard standings. So 1, 2, and the third there. The cookhouse and utilities block is currently closed by the looks of it, but there's lots of hookup points. It's very basic. It's very basic, but it's faultlessly clean. So we're in the shared facilities at the moment, but only Lisa and I are using them. There was another T6 on site, but that's left this morning. So, but Lisa's in the girly area.
Morning.
Morning. Which is very clean and tidy.
It's alright. Little mirror.
Little mirror.
It.
Yeah. And a painting.
Oh yes.
The shower is clean, tidy, and there is a gents area. Lisa is a bit cut out because we have 2 toilets, and
What's that all about?
And the girls only have 1. So
yeah, and all those urinal things.
yeah.
So you could have a drinking party, and there's only 1.
But what I said
Why
to
we
you
always
was,
have to queue?
well, as I tried to explain to you, you girls of the morning just in, out, done. We have to contemplate.
Oh yeah.
We're going to quickly show people around while your hair's wet.
Do I have to?
Yes, come on then.
My hair will dry funny. Every woman will know.
So there's some more toilets here.
Hold on, I've got sunglasses in this bag.
There's some more toilets here. But what we did, oh, there's free Wi-Fi as well. I've just seen it up there. So there is free Wi-Fi. But look at this, people. How cool is this? Are they out? I can't see if they're out. So there's chickens. And what are them other things?
Turkeys.
Turkeys.
Turkey lurkeys.
But there was big things that look like... We won't go down there because we're going to set the dogs off barking, aren't we?
Oh, I want to go see the Rios.
Are they?
Yeah, they are Rios.
So this is a working farm. This is a working farm, so please be aware. But it is absolutely gorgeous.
It's stunning where we are.
It's
just
absolutely,
in a field.
absolutely stunning.
Wake up and look at the sea.
Jane and Peter, the owners, are absolutely lovely, aren't they?
Very friendly. And
very, very friendly and accommodating. But there was... I know it's some geese here now, look. Ah, are they in there?
Yeah.
So,
that's more left.
there you go. Set them off. So, yes, so a working farm.
Lots of wheelbarrows.
Yes, and something else I'll show you when we get into the washroom area is you can hire fire pits and barbecues. And they're not what I call cheap and nasty fire pits and barbecues. They're very nice fire pits and barbecues. So it's got some excellent toys.
Peahen.
Peahen. Oh yeah, peahen. Peahen. You see the peahen?
Not coming fed today yet.
Oh. So this is a camping and caravan club site.
Oh my God, it's just when you come around the corner.
Yeah, I know. I've just shown everyone that view. And here is a little washroom. No, the for your wash house.
Come and do the dishes, love.
This is where I come and do the dishes.
I haven't been in it yet.
Look at this, look.
Oh yeah.
You can hire that and a barbecue and charcoal. So it's all there, and wood for the fire pits.
You've got these big cotton reels as well, you can have a table.
Yeah. So, but you know, it's clean, it's tidy, and it's functional, and it's what you want. We all like the Gucci's.
What's in the cooking house?
So I should imagine that you can cook there.
Right.
But at the moment it's closed, obviously because of COVID restrictions. No day visitors allowed on site, which is...
Oh, I've got to dry my hair, it's cold.
So
is that, do they let that field out as well then?
well, I was just saying that if you look here, can you see that there's sockets all the way along? There's hook-up sockets.
Yeah, so they must do then.
All the way along.
But look at that, I mean, you're going to wake up to nothing better, are you? Look at the old yoke over there.
The what?
Yoke for the milk girl.
Oh yeah. But this
Is
is
one of those
it.
big magnets from the cartoons, you know, when they're like... zzz.
Oh, you really are on form this morning, aren't you?
That's what it looks like.
It's a life buoy.
It's like a Wile E. Coyote cartoon, isn't it? Oh, dear.
It's a life.
Got that from Acme, your giant magnet.
Right. So that's the site. And it is a very tidy little site. I think we may return here. I was trying to work out, look, there's a bathtub. There's a cut in half bathtub. Now, in my childish mind, I'm thinking, could you put cushions in there and use it as a seat?
Oh, yeah.
I
don't know how childish that is.
Yeah, I think you could stick some cushions in there and sit down there and look out at that view.
You could put it low down, wouldn't you?
Do you want to try it?
No,
Okay.
I don't actually. No. What a glorious day.
We're going to go and have a walk down to Mullion Cove itself. So, but this is our little abode, people, look. We're all set up. It's toasty and warm in here. And I do promise a full review of this amazing conversion. We were very comfortable last night, albeit a little cold because I couldn't get the heater to fire, but comfortable. Anyway, this is Seaview Mullion Cove, and join us later for the rest of our journey and a look about. Bye for now.